Hi dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video is very informative regarding how you can manage your daily and weekly plans on a Google Sheet. This sheet is very informative as I have created it myself. Now, I will explain how this sheet works and how you can create one as well. So, this sheet is basically totally automatic. First of all, we have to select our weekdays. So, we click here and double click and choose. Let's suppose we want to start our week from Monday. You will see that our weeks start from here. We change here. Right now, this month is April, so we start from April. You see, this is showing here about all weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is a fully automatic sheet. Now, I will show how this sheet will work. Let's suppose we have a plan on April 1st, car repair, and we will set this also as priority medium. You see the pending tasks arise here, showing a total of 1 on Monday. Also, we have rent. We set this as medium. Also, we have another task in the second column, and so on. We have another task, gift fee. So, we have 3 tasks. When we have done each others, we simply click this checkbox. It will clear the task, and you see it move from pending to done, and the task is finished. So, another task, when we check it, also removes, and also on the third weekday. It also removes. You will see this also, a graphical representation. This is a very good sheet for your business or any of your needs. It also has a fully automatic function here. If we want to erase all the data from all the tabs, all the columns, we just click here, clear button, and you see the sheet is totally clear. So, you can plan for next month or next week. It is very easy and convenient to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more important videos of this type.